Okay guys, on March 20, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of sedum, burros tail, or we can also call it as sedum burrito. So now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. My plant is around 4 years old. Now you can see that we have taken our first cutting, and that is obviously a healthy cutting. Now we will take our second one, and with the help of forceps I will hold it, and with the help of my pruner I will cut it out. Now we have to remove its lower leaves, because whenever we are supposed to grow a plant from stem, we will just remove the lower leaves. And this one is our third cutting. And that one is also healthy, and I think that 3 cuttings are enough for our soil propagation. And one more thing, that you should have to wait for certain days so that our wound will be healed. And this process is called as the callousing hour or calloused hour. So now you can see that we have taken 3 of our cuttings. Now we will wait. Okay, on April 10, 2024, as I am doing the voice dubbing, so you will not see or you will not observe any sort of change in my voice. So these 3 are our cuttings, and a lot of days have been passed, and now they are a little bit wilted. But you must know that even like succulents have a stronger tendency for to recover or to be restored to their original shape. So we are not supposed to worry that even if all the leaves are wilted, still it is okay. The stem is able to survive. Now you can see that our media is very much sandy. It contains about like 50 to 60% of sand and 40 to 50% of simple garden soil. So this is our media. First we need to pour water in it, and then we are able to plant our cuttings. Although these succulents are like very slow growers, so we have to wait patiently. Let me take water. Now just pour water so that all the media will get wet, and then we will be able to put our cuttings inside the media. Now we will level our media out, and this is an essential process that you should have to level your media. It is necessary. And this is our first cutting, so we will put it out like this, and this one is our second one, this, and this one is third one, so we have to put it in the media. Okay, this spot drainage is not so much good, this one. So because certain media is not very good in drainage. So now these 3 are our cuttings, and now I will zoom it out so that you can see properly that how we can place our cuttings. And usually you must know that if your area is not so much hot, then your succulent cutting will survive almost always. Okay, means that there is 100% chance that your cuttings will survive. Okay, on June 24, 2024. So now you can see that one of our I lost one of my cutting due to extensive sun. Okay, and it is totally due to a lot of days have been passed, and you can see that there are a lot of weeds inside our pots. On shooting side, we can't say that there is too much growth, but still it is okay because the burrito sedum or burro style sedum is a very slow grower. Once it reached to a good height, then we can say that its growth can be a little bit fast. But at this time, when the sedums are small, the growth is very slow. So now you can see that now we will see either it is rooted or not. So you can see that this is our result, our plant, although it don't have so much like a huge root, but still it is okay. At least we are succeeded in growing it from the stem cuttings. So this one also has at least some roots, and we can see a little bit growth on the shooting side as well. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the burrito sedum or sedum burro style from stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.